Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Desai and welcome back to another Enlighten You YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about how to use the virtual camera feature in OBS Studio, and we're going to demonstrate this using Zoom. So the first thing you'll want to do is have a scene in OBS. The scene can be really anything, it doesn't matter what your scene is. The most important thing is sources. So when you're using a virtual camera, you can do a lot of things. So for example, I can have my webcam as my virtual camera. I can have my desktop screen as my virtual camera. I can also have like an MP4 file I have on my computer. I can play that through the virtual camera. There's a lot of different things you can do using OBS. And in order to do that, you're going to want to create a source. So you're going to click this plus button. And for example, I have a video capture device, which is my webcam that I'm currently using. You can also have like text if you want that above your video. You can have an image. You can have other things as well. A media source like MP4 file. A lot of different options you have there. So in order to get started, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click Start Virtual Camera. And that's going to actually start the virtual camera feature in OBS. And the virtual camera works by, so whatever you see in this red box here is what is going to appear as your virtual camera. So for example, if I switch my input to my monitor, which is kind of trippy, this will be my virtual camera. So let's just go to this, this scene that I have. So whatever you see in this box that is highlighted red, that will be my virtual camera that you will see in OBS, and I'll demonstrate this in a little bit. I'm going to go back to my camera here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my Zoom meeting that I have here. So the reason why my Zoom meeting is grayed out is simply because currently my video input is as my webcam. I'm using this in OBS as well. And obviously you can't have your webcam in two different softwares at once. So that's why it's grayed out. But I'm going to click OBS Virtual Camera. So in any software, in order to use your virtual camera, you simply just need to select OBS Virtual Camera as your video input. And as you can see, here I'm met with a screen that says no video, and I have the OBS logo. So the virtual camera is selected in Zoom, but the virtual camera is not on in OBS. So I'm going to go into my OBS, and I'm going to click Start Virtual Camera, and this will actually start the virtual camera. So as you can see, I'll go back into the Zoom meeting, and here you can see that my video is coming through as my webcam, and my input is selected as the virtual camera, not as my actual webcam. So in all honesty, this process is extremely simple. So as you can see, I have selected a different scene. This is my iPad scene. So I'm going to go back into the Zoom meeting, and I'm going to click the virtual camera, and I'm going to show you what it looks like now that I have a different scene selected in OBS. All right, so here is what I look like in the Zoom meeting. As you can see, I am currently reversed on my screen in Zoom. But in Zoom, I actually have the setting enabled to flip my video. So on everyone else's end, it will appear normally. But if you click here, as you can see, my camera is the OBS virtual camera. As soon as I click my normal webcam, I don't know why it's lagging right now, but it should become a gray screen because I'm currently using my camera in OBS. So honestly, this process is extremely simple. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns, anything like that, please feel free to leave a comment in the description below. Once again, OBS is completely free. You can go ahead and download it. Just type in OBS Studio on Google. It's available on Windows, Mac, and a couple other platforms as well. Zoom is just one of the platforms you can use it on. Really, this virtual camera works for any video conferencing or really anything at all that requires you to have like a video input. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.